Some women still get pregnant after using the emergency contraceptive methods. What happened? What is the problem? Where did they go wrong? So today we're going to be talking about what is the emergency contraceptive method, when is it important to use it, who are those eligible to use it, when do you have to use it, is it before or after sexual intercourse, and what are the side effects of these emergency contraceptive methods. So stay tuned and listen to the end of this video. Hello everyone, you're all welcome back to Talk Pregnancy with Dr Noella, where we tell you all about pregnancy and other women related health issues. So if you're new to our channel, please click the subscription button such that you're going to receive weekly advice on women's health issues and pregnancy. So those who have subscribed, thank you very much, and I love you. You're always welcome. So today we're going to be talking about how to effectively use the emergency contraceptive methods. What are the different types? What are side effects? And who are those that need to take these emergency contraceptives? So the first thing is emergency contraceptive methods are used after a sexual intercourse and you don't want to get pregnant. So now, who are those that need to take this emergency contraceptive? The first is ones who have unprotected sexual intercourse during their fertile period and they don't want to get pregnant, and they are not on any family planning method. For example, you had sexual intercourse and you did not use a protective method, and you're not on any family planning method, and you don't want to get pregnant, you are eligible to take this, but you should take it after sexual intercourse, not before. There are some people who take it before having sexual intercourse. No, it's not going to work that way. You need to take it after. Secondly, those who have been sexually assaulted in a case of rape and it was during the period of your fertile days, you are eligible to take this. Also, those who are on contraceptive methods and they feel like they made a mistake somewhere, they did not use it correctly. For example, if you're using a condom and you did not use it rightly, we know sometimes it can burst, it can leak, and maybe you didn't follow the instructions on the card on how to go about with it. If you are also taking a combined oral contraceptive pills, that's the pills which contain both estrogen and progesterone, you need to take this every day. So if you miss these pills for 3 consecutive days, then you are a candidate to take the emergency contraceptive pills. If you missed it for at least 3 consecutive days and you have unprotected sexual intercourse, you need to take these emergency contraceptive methods. Those who are also on the injectable, that's the Depo-Provera, if you're on it and you missed it, you did not take it for 1 month, that's at least 4 weeks, and you have unprotected sexual intercourse during that period, you are a candidate for this. Those who take the oral pills, that's what we call the pills, just the progesterone, that's not the combined oral contraceptive pills. Normally, you have to take it at a particular time. If you're taking at 8 a.m. in the morning, every 8 a.m. you need to take it, every 8 a.m. But if you miss it for at least 3 hours from that time, so if you take it after 3 hours from the time you have to take it and you have unprotected sexual intercourse, you will get pregnant. So you need to take the emergency contraceptive pills. Those who are also on intrauterine device, if you feel like it is coming down or it is not well, or you feel like there is a problem as though it was coming down and you have unprotected sexual intercourse, you are a candidate for this emergency contraceptive methods. So if you also feel that you miscalculated your fertile days, you should take it. Don't sit and wait and say, no, let me see first. If you feel like you have missed these days, then you take it. Some women take the emergency contraceptive pills at any moment. Some take it today, they have sexual intercourse today, they take the next one and they have unprotected sexual intercourse tomorrow, they take it again, the next day they have unprotected sex, they take it again. All these things have side effects. It is not necessary. We're going to know how you're supposed to take it. So now, how should you take these contraceptive methods? How do you need to take it? Once you have discovered that you need this emergency contraceptive method, you just have 5 days. 5 days for it to work. But the lesser the days, the better, the more effective. So how many of these emergency contraceptive methods are there? We have Postinor. What is inside is the Levonorgestrel. That's a progesterone which is inside. So what does it do? It slows down ovulation. So it slows ovulation, making the sperms to come and wait, and at the end there is no ovulation and there is no fertilization. Once there is no egg, the sperms will not fertilize anything and they tend to die. So 5 days is necessary, but the lesser the days, the better and the more effective the drugs are. So this Levonorgestrel, how do you take it? You take 1 tablet, and if you look at the tablet, it is found everywhere. You see it is 1.5 milligrams. You take 1 tablet, and that is all. So if you take today, you take tomorrow, and all these things are hormones which can cause hormonal imbalance to a woman. Once you start having hormonal imbalance, there is a problem. You start having problem trying to conceive, it's not coming. Irregular menses, it's a problem. So it's not good to just take it haphazardly. If you've taken it today, it can protect you for even up to 5 days. So now, if you take in 1 tablet, it is okay. You see some women going after that, they really want to be sure that it works. They take 2 of the tablets with 1.5 milligrams. You take 2 or even 3. These things can cause hormonal imbalances, and when the effects will come, you don't want to see this effect. Then, secondly, we have the intrauterine device. The intrauterine device can be used also within 5 days. And these ones, most of the times we talk of the coil, non-hormonal intrauterine device. So once it is placed, this one is 99% effective. But before it is being placed, we need to make sure that this woman has calculated her cycle well and she is not pregnant. And once you put it in place, you have a 99% chance effectiveness. Even the emergency pills, it is very effective when it is used earlier, especially within 3 days. So the earlier the better. The earlier you take it, the better. Other ones which you can use, if the combined oral contraceptive pills too can help during that time. So it is important we know this and when to use it. What are the most common side effects? The most common side effects, the first, especially with the pills, it contains hormones. It can cause dizziness, headache, nausea, and vomiting, and also spotted bleeding. With the intrauterine device, you can feel some mild lower abdominal pains. You can also have some small spottings. So with all these are some side effects that it can have. But it's very important that the earlier we take it, the better for us. Increase of the success rate of this. So if this was helpful for you, please give a thumbs up to our video. And if you want us to discuss about anything, drop it on the comment section. We might use it to make a video on that. And if you want to have a private consultation with me, follow the link below and get a private chat with me. Thank you very much. God bless you.